Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, I am about to do a quick weave. It's been a long time since I did my own hair because baby, I be lazy and I be tired. I just be trying to pay people. So I'm about to do a quick weave. I was on sew in, but I just took a sew in down. So I'm about to quick weave it and I'm about to go through the whole process on here. It's very beginner. I can't even talk. It's very beginner friendly. If you're trying to do a quick weave. I've already washed and blow dried my hair. So I'm about to, I said I already blow dried. No, I didn't. I already washed condition. I started blow drying this side. I gotta finish this side. So I'm gonna do that, speed it up, and then we'll come back. If this content that you like, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm about to get started because I don't want to do this all night, okay? So I'm about to speed this up. All right, so I went to the hair store and I forgot to show y'all. So this is what I got from the hair store. Got me a cap. I was gonna get black, but I was scared I was gonna cut my hair. So I got brown. Can y'all see that? I need to probably lift my camera up. I had to get a comb because the one I had broke. Then I got the protective shield for the quick weave. I already had the glue, or had some glue, so I think that's enough. I got some spritz. Then I had got this spray to try it out. We're gonna see how it worked, because I was kind of hesitant. Because it's like a wet spray, and I don't really like this, but we about to see. So I'm finna get started. I'm finna speed this up, about to break my hair down and everything.
We're supposed to have it all together. And the fact of the matter is, most of us don't. I feel like I'm so I'm not good.